Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech M220. In this video I'll show you connection methods of this mouse. Let's start with taking a look at the bottom of the mouse. Right here we've got the on-off switch. As you can see, the mouse does not have any Bluetooth or pairing button. Also, it does not have any charging port, which means that it's not wired. Take a look right here. Remove this cover, and here we've got this adapter. This mouse supports connection of 2.4G only, and it is only wireless. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.